Hey fifth graders, it's Mrs. Compton and I've brought props today. I got a leaf. I just tore off a plant in my backyard. Sorry. Okay, so today we're going to talk about symmetry, and I think you've probably heard this word before. So when something is symmetrical, you can basically look at a line down the middle and it's exactly the same on one side as it is on the other, just like this leaf, right? So if I were to fold it in half, it would match exactly because there's so much symmetry in nature. Other places that you're going to find symmetry in your home, watch out. You're going to start noticing it everywhere. Go to the kitchen, cut an onion in half, try not to cry, and then notice all the symmetry, right? So when you slice that onion in half, one side looks just like the other side. It's kind of crazy. Even our faces, for the most part, if you just draw a line right down the middle, our faces are fairly symmetrical, unless like you have a little mole or something on one side and not on the other, then it's just a little bit different. But you can kind of think about symmetry everywhere you go. Even, let's see, I was talking to my friends the other day and they were talking about, all those succulent plants we have in California. That's a special kind of symmetry. It's like the Fibonacci sequence. So look that up if you're interested. All right, so we're going to talk a little bit more about symmetry and lines. So see this leaf? Love this leaf. All right, check out this line here. It's basically like the line of, oh my gosh, like I measured it. It's the exact length. That's weird. Okay, so imagine that this line is just like this leaf down the middle, and we're gonna try to draw symmetrical lines. Okay, so check this out. I'm gonna get my ruler. So I'm gonna go like, I don't know. I'm gonna put a little dot right there at the 3-inch mark. I will not be taking out these bloopers because you guys know I'm clumsy. All right, so I'm gonna put a little mark right there, and I'm gonna call that point A. So, I would be doing this with a piece of paper that I could fold, but for the point of this lesson, it's just so much easier to write it on a board. So if you have a piece of paper, you could do this too. You could draw one straight line. This is as straight as I could get it with my little measuring tool. All right, so I measured 3 inches on this one. So I'm going to measure 3 inches down. So that's exactly 3 inches. You know what? I think I'm just going to keep that right there. And I'm going to go from the 3 to the 6. So I know, like, if I were to fold this in half, these two dots would land on top of each other exactly, right? Okay, so I know that this point and this point would match. All right, so check this out. I think I'm gonna go 4 inches here. So let me measure 5 inches, and I'm gonna go from 5 to 10, like that. I'm going to connect these. And hey, I guess I could call this D. Why not? You guys want me to name it D or Z. Probably you're like, name it Z. I could just imagine in class you guys saying that. Gotta be a little weird. All right, connect that. Now, what are some true statements that we could make about this? Definitely not my leaf. I guess I could put this down. All right, so we could say, we could compare these. We could compare lines AB and lines CD. So what do you guys notice? So take a moment. I want you to stop and think. Maybe write a few things down. I'll see you back here in just a second. All right, did you think of some things? Did you think about line AB is symmetrical to line CD? Because they're mirror images of each other. So if you look in the mirror, you're seeing the same thing on one side as you do the other. All right, so check this out. Let's put on another line, excuse me, not another line, but another point. So I think it's kind of fun to just add on to shapes. So I think I'm going to connect these points we go. And why don't I call this E? All right, so point E. Is this still symmetrical from one side to the other? I'd say it is. I think it is. All right, could we add on to it? Could we like put more points on and continue adding on to this shape? I think so. So this is all about art. It's all about fun. It's all about noticing things around your house and around you. There are lines everywhere. I'm gonna look at my ceiling right now. It's just filled with them. So go check out your house, go check out a nature walk, and see where you can find lines of symmetry. Talk to you later. Bye.